Welcome to the Excel tip video from Excel & Cat. My name is Ajay Anand. In this video, I will show you an Excel formula that can be used to make a random selection from a list. Say we have a list of 10 candidates here. Now to randomly select a name from this list, in the formula bar, equal, index function, open parenthesis. First argument of index function is array. Select the list of candidates, comma. Second argument of index function is row number. Here we will use rand between function. The rand between function in Excel is used to generate a random number between two specified values. Rand between. First argument of rand between function is bottom. Type in 1, comma. Second argument of rand between function is top. Here we will use the number of elements in this array, otherwise the number of values in this list. We have 10 candidates here. Type in 10, close parenthesis, once again close parenthesis, and press the enter key. See, the formula returned a random name from the list. The rand between function that we used inside this formula is a volatile function. So whenever I make a change in this sheet, the formula will update and will return a random name. Now let me show you another method to update the formula. In the formulas tab, click on calculate sheet. You can also use the function key F9 to calculate the sheet. And note that if you want to pick 2 or more random values, this formula won't work for you, because this formula may return duplicates for multiple iterations. Let me show you what I mean. We'll copy this formula, paste it here. See, the formula is returning duplicates. Once again, calculate sheet. Formula returned a duplicate for the 4th iteration. So in the next video, we will discuss an Excel formula to pick 2 or more random values without any duplicates. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching and wish you a great day.